Have you ever wondered what it takes to deep clean a space after construction works? Today, we have our first special guest, the Healthy Home. Choosing the Healthy Home was a very important decision, not just because they have a very professional team, but because they have a great use of sustainable products. One thing that I've noticed is that they really care about every single detail, in and out. I cannot wait to see the end results of this amazing deep cleaning and finally have the handover of my new offices.